Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Hot Yoga and Fitness. My name is Jessica and we are getting ready to open. So I want to give you guys a rundown of everything you need to know about when you arrive to the studio. So for those of you who have a monthly unlimited membership or a yearly membership, the studio is going to be open for you guys first. So first things first is you must pre-register for class. We have to know that you're coming to class. So you're going to pre-register online. There will be a cancellation window that I'll tell you about later in an email. So look for that. So we must know that you're coming for class because it is limited capacity. We have 12, 13 people maximum in the room. So I just want to make sure that everybody can get into class who needs to get into class. All right, so first things first, you've already pre-registered online. You show up at the studio. We're going to open up 15 minutes before the class is scheduled to begin. We'll be here. We normally are open a half hour before, but not nowadays. Nowadays, we'll just be open 15 minutes before. When you arrive to the studio, have all of your stuff, your mat, your towel. You must be wearing a mask. Right now, I don't have it on, but pretend you have your mask on, or pretend I have my mask on. You'll come into the studio with all of that. 15 minutes before is when the studio opens, so kind of time yourself or wait for us outside. You'll see when we're able to unlock the doors. All right, so when you come into the studio, you are dressed and ready to go in your yoga costume. You have your mat, your towel with you, and then we're gonna go around this way. My videographer will move with me. You will see the front desk person over there. So videographer, come around this way, please. I am here, hello. Fantastic, good. So George is at the front desk today and he's so happy that I'm here. Hello. You'll see their markings on the floor. Just in case you guys aren't sure what 6 feet apart, you guys have been to Target and you've been to Trader Joe's, you know exactly what 6 feet looks like nowadays. So when you come to the front desk, you're gonna let the front desk person or the teacher, whoever happens to be there, let them know that you're here. Hey George, I'm Jessica, I'm here. He's very happy. There's also hand sanitizer here at the front desk. You can either sanitize your own hands or George will spray your hands with the hand sanitizer we have here. It's not very pretty, but it is hand sanitizer. Okay, so since you are here with your yoga clothes on already, with your mat and towel already, because we won't be renting any mat or towels, and you don't have any extra stuff with you, we have baskets right up here at front where you can drop your keys, hello, where you can drop your keys and your phone. So I'll give you an example of that. Your keys go here, your phone can go there, everything right on top. You have enough space. We should have enough space here for the 12 people. And that's it. Come this way, Cecilia. If you need water, we do still have some water available to buy, but bring your own water if you can. There's water still in there we have. Bring your own water bottle, have it already filled up. If you don't have your own water bottle, we do have our thermos water bottles here that you can use, but our water fountain is closed for right now as well. So again, mat, towel, yoga outfit, and your own water. All right, so you've said hello to George, you've cleaned your hands. If you need to use the restroom, you can use the restroom. It is around this way. Come on, come on. So locker room is generally closed, but our bathrooms are in here. So of course, if you need to use the bathroom, you can use the bathroom. But let's come around this way. You'll see the showers are closed. You use the bathroom. Of course, you wash your hands. There's antibacterial soap and the towels, everything goes in there. You're gonna try not to have to change because I really, really want you to be here ready to go. All right, let's go back this way. You're good, everybody's good? All right. So, once you are ready to enter the room, you come this way. And you will see that the studio is already marked with spots. So you'll see the little corners that are marked on the floor. Come on in. You'll see the, oh, watch the door. You'll see the little corners that are marked on the floor. And that is exactly where the top left corner of your mat is gonna go. Maybe there's a yoga friend in here. You're gonna say, hey yoga friend, so good to see you. Your yoga mat goes down on the ground. Come around this way, Yes, come this way. So notice how I line up the corner of my mat with the corner that's marked on the floor. My towel goes on top of the mat. I remember I have my make-believe mask on the entire time that I'm in here. So once you get on the mat and you're good to go, have a seat, give yourself a little stretch, and it's at this point when you're on the mat that you can take your mask off. That way we'll be ready to go for class. Once class happens, once class is done, we're gonna leave in an orderly fashion. I don't know if maybe I'll dismiss you guys row by row or whatever it is. We'll see how many people are here. You'll take all your stuff with you and you'll basically just leave the same way that you came in. You'll pick up your keys and your phone at the front desk. You'll give yourself a little hand sanitizer if you want some hand sanitizer on the way out. Remember that your mask is still on this entire time. Once you get off of your mats, your mask is on, and then you'll leave from there. We'll be happy to see you in the next day. I think that's it. Any questions, please comment below or send me an email. I'll be happy to answer any of that for you. I'm so happy to be here. Can't wait to see you guys. I'll see you on the mat.